Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. I know it has been so long since I've done a fitness video, but here we are. We are doing it from St. Pete, Florida. I know you guys have been asking me like, intuition's great, body image is awesome. I get great feedback from that, but I've been getting some questions about fitness, and I used to be a personal trainer. I still have my license and everything. I just haven't been actively using it. I've been focusing on psychology, studying for it, making content for A coaching around subconscious reprogramming and body image. But I'm always in the gym and I'm always giving advice, and it's my plan to be a full-time trainer again, along with a therapist as well too. We're studying that as well, but I'm always intuitive coaching. But that is the update. But this is the video on hamstrings, glutes, all of it. But okay, y'all, without further ado, let's get in it. Jumping in, it's always good to roll out your legs. It helps break down the fascia of your muscles so that you build them faster. Then lunging is so good for leg day. Remember to stretch first. I always do a split and stretch out my hamstrings, but this is the first best exercise that'll help bring the best results because it wakes up sort of everything. All right, bringing over these weights. So I'd like to then work into Bulgarian split squats. Now it's good to rest your back leg on something that can give you good support, and try to go as deep into each rep as you can. I know here I'm not going super deep, but just for the form, good tip. All right, these are excellent. These work your back glutes one at a time. It's really nice. Moving into deadlifts, and we're moving a little quickly here. But this is just a short snippet of my favorite ones. So with deadlifts, it's important to not look at the mirror when you do them. Make sure that you arch your back, make sure you get deep into it, really bend those legs, try to give another angle here. But yeah, I feel like these give the best results. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed that guidance on some few of my favorite leg workouts. Subscribe, follow. I'll be making even more body videos. So I know I do a lot of body and spirit, but mind, body, and spirit all is interconnected. So I hope you guys enjoyed my latest fitness video from literally Florida. So we love it, and those of you who've been following my journey know that like I've been working really hard to manifest this dream, and now we're here. So but for my fitness audience, this was for y'all today. I know I have so many of the best clients from like Body Zone in Pennsylvania, my home gym. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember, you're a miracle, here on purpose, born for a reason. And every single action of self-love you put into yourself